Stop ya long just that time. Long praise him. Naluksawa long walk kita. Line will you lose. Tomorrow, defense force patrol boat by come. But you may use him all too. Long check him all out the island. Or big Masowara. At the same time, kami plus shift team 45 man. Also Kokopo will stop stranded long Kontu. Even though defense force come late, we still by talk thank you long all. Because he had long shift team on man of this time. Now 45 man and 45 family, only miss him all yet. Only stop one temipla long Kontu. So long this night we like to thank you. All kita elders, all kita mama, papa, all young pla long this time. Thank you. Long look sawen na come up long you pla long this vigil. Now you may express him. Sorry pla me pla. One time all kita family, well you lose him on life long all long East New Britain. Long this time. I like to thank you long you pla all kita. Na I like to thank you too. No kita workman, no house sick, all kita man, only operator long boat, 12 pla boat, finish him this pla work tete, pilot long helicopter, no people long East New Britain, long this pla time, nagawa na long East New Britain. We supporting me pla, no kita work pla me pla too long this pla time. Thank you, na good night, all kita.
That was the Governor of the Ireland Province, Honorable Byron Chan.
The next part of the program, all Cobra contestants will taking meeting around with Jetty. That will be followed by the governor. Yogata Bagoran with Jetty. To say anything on last team, we ask the Reverend Mawaki last the prayer. Yogata light the candle.
Okay. So it's getting a bit dark. What's gonna happen now is there's going to be process into the jetty where the contestants will lead in laying the wreaths off on the jetty, followed by the governor and other dignitaries, and then that will be followed by the general public. So it's a really good turnout. As you can see, families have come out to remember our brothers and sisters. I think, in the words of Governor for East New Britain, Honorable Michael Marum, that this relationship has been forged by our forefathers, and we have very strong connection between New Ireland and East New Britain. And so this tragedy has, if not anything, brought all of us together to stand in solidarity and mourn the loss of our brothers and sisters and their children, and also do what we can in order to collectively contribute in the effort for the search and recovery exercise that still has 48 hours to go and will be called off as soon as the cue comes from the governor. So that on the other side is Nusa Island, where the Nusa Island Resort is. and the sunset is not as magnificent as it usually is, but it's still a beautiful afternoon nonetheless. And so this is being led by Governor of New Ireland Province, Honorable Byron Chan, and the contestants for the Miss Bed of Paradise New Ireland pageant.